go.
Faster.
Well, second row POV on the mine train, everybody. Big drop down there.
Look at Greg. There's spots on the track.
Are there?
Yeah.
Oh. It's possible. What was the last coaster I went on? Judith?
Hi.
What was the last coaster we went on? Was it Ride to Happiness?
This is not the coaster. No, it's not.
Do you think I can count it as a cred?
It definitely is.
It's a cred. It's a cred. Choo-choo. Okay.
Wow. Was that thrilling?